Hey, good morning, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. We are live. We are live. Good morning, everybody. All right, market opening down below the 400s. Oof, oof. Interesting move. How we doing, Bella? How we doing, guys? R5 Studios, good morning. Almighty, good morning. Jack Wiley, John Jones. Best Guest Trading JB, Vincent and Ella, good morning. Black Coffee Trader in the house, good morning. Jake Dell, Jim O, Max 90, Jamco, Tanush, hey, good to see you, Tanush, good morning. Darren Koss, Linda, good morning, Linda. Terry W, Dan Taloy, Dan. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. Market is open for business. All right. Pretty uneventful overnight session. I was actually up like $200 on these Apex accounts and took another trade that got stopped out on. Womp womp. Doing okay otherwise. Pretty uneventful overnight session, but man, this is dumping once again. Now, here is my plan. I'm going to stick to this plan. I am kind of expecting that if we retest these lows of the overnight, I am looking to buy these lows down here at the 340s. So that is the plan. Could be a little dangerous. Might be some puckering going on, but that's the plan. We're going to look to buy at the 340s. See if we can't dump down through the 340s. Wow. I'm going to be upset if we don't take out this 340, man. If this rips higher now, no. I did not want to see that. Well, it's okay. We're not going to chase this. I want to try to do better with not chasing the moves. Yesterday, chasing got me in trouble, so I got to be patient here. Man, what a bounce. Oh, Terry W, Sean O, Mumakil, Pattis Warren, good morning. John, good morning. Hey, thank you, John. Trader Runny Money, good morning. Bruce Lee, good morning. Good morning, John. Nice scalp there, John. Nicely done. Man, I really want to see. Really want to see us take out that 340 level, and then I feel like I'm okay. Okay, let's see. Are we going to go down below the 3? Let's see if we make new lows down. We need to get down below the 360s. Oh, man, we did not make new lows. What was that? I think my power just flickered. Huh. Opening 3 minutes swallows up the opening overnight range. Yeah, I know, right? It can easily do that. Hey, Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Dabda, good morning. Stephen Arthur, good morning. My hair is on fire. My hair color is like, I've noticed that my hair color is changed since I've been going to Florida in the winter and then going, in this, obviously in the summer in Ohio, my hair is like bleached a lot more. Usually during the winter my hair kind of gets a little bit more darker red, but right now it just keeps getting bleached. Okay, boys. Can we take out that overnight low? That's the question. All right, is it going to dump or not? It's where I have to remain patient. It's easy to chase this. Very choppy here. It's getting very choppy here. Seems to kind of, this 370 area is holding up pretty well. Almost looks like we could be in for a rip higher here. So choppy. So choppy right now. Okay, here we go. Can we get going now? Just give me that 340. Here we go, 360. Will this hold? Here we go. Come on, just dump it. Oh, it's so choppy. So, hey, good morning, Design Knob. They don't. Joom, good morning. Good morning, Design Knob. Daniel Rosenstein, good morning. Trip Candy, good morning. Micro Player, RT. All right, 355s. I mean, we're trying, but man, this is very choppy. Okay, here we go. Now we got to be ready here. 350s, 345s. All right, now we got to be careful here. This is where things can get dicey. Now rip it. Ah, I didn't like how we did not. I'm going to wait, see if we sweep that 340, then I'll jump in again. I might have got scared a little bit on that one. Oh, now it's, I should have held. Okay, hang on. Sweep those 340s. Let's do it. Ah, chat. Should have held. Should have held. Should have held, man. Hey, good morning, Tate. Man, that was, oh, that makes me sick to my stomach when I don't hold. Ugh. Called everything out precisely. 340s, and then we didn't hold. All right, it's okay. Let's see if we get a retest and a sweep of the 340s. That's a 30-point bounce. That's what I was looking for. That's rough. That is rough. Hey, Carmen Coding up 809 on the day. Let's go. Good job. K Trader. Yes, I did. I'm trying to pass them. It's not going so well. We're still alive, but I lost quite a bit of drawdown. And right back down. Here we go. Okay, let's see if we sweep this. This is dangerous to do this. I just want to see. Oh, this is dangerous to buy down here. Only thing I'm looking for is a sweep here. Trying to catch a falling knife is usually not a good idea, but all right, now we got to be careful. All right, we got a 310. Okay, we got a. Oh, whoop, I thought I closed. Okay, hang on. Hold on, hold on. This is not usually how I like to trade. just knife catching. Oh man, this thing. Whew. Okay, I give up. Jeez. No bounce, no bounce. This is straight down again. Man. Now it's going to rip back up, but I think I got to look for a short. This looks like it's going to dump again today. What is the daily chart? Definitely not looking too good. I think we got to look for the shorts again. Unbelievable. I mean, I know when to get out. When we didn't bounce at the 280s, I knew it was time to just got to go. Thankfully, I didn't go in with too big a size, but that's what can happen when you try to knife catch. But you got to just get out when it's bad. All right, I'm going to look for shorts. I'd love for it to come back and test this 320 area. Wow. What a dump. What a dump again this morning. Okay, let's see if we can get a little bit of a come on, can we get a bounce up to at least up to the 300s? Unreal. Give me the 300s at least. Lots of selling here. Come on. Back up to the 300s at least. No, not new lows already. No, I'm not ready. Oh, jeez. Hey, Carolina, good to see you. Called my 401k people, asked them to move money. Carolina, let's go. Max D, good morning. RX, good morning. Ralph, good morning. Look at this. Mr. Push Up. Yeah, we're looking for shorts, but man, couldn't even get a move back to the 300s. Unbelievable. Now I'm just going to get FOMO. Oh. Initial bounce off the 260s. $260, $270. We're just ripping straight down through it. Down through the 250s now. Down to the 240s. Unbelievable. What a dump fest again this morning. Did not expect that. I was looking for a 340 and then maybe a push back up into this, but we're just going straight down. $230s. Unbelievable. $220s. Ay, ay, ay. You're trying to knife catch this. Good luck. Good luck, my friend. Ay, ay, ay. 220s, 215s. Straight rip lower. Man. I might try it. I might try along at right here the 220s. Just, oh, this is not smart, but I feel like we got a chance to rip this thing back up at least a little bit. Get ready to pull the trigger. I just got to get out if I'm wrong. 200s could be. This is, don't do this. Don't do this. Keep going. Give me a nice rip up to the 260s. Do it. I'm just gonna take that. If you're knife catching and you have profit, you better lock it in. I'm on a market like this. Wow, what a dump this morning. What a dump. I'm 3 minutes behind. Oh no, you're 3 minutes behind, Mr. Push-Up? Oh no. Oh no, you're in for a rude awakening. All right, market, come on. Man, this is wild. This is wild. What a dump. Down to the 200s now. What a dump. 200s. It's so hard to jump in short here because you know we're about to get 100 rip higher. Oh! Another dump. Down to the 180s. What is going on? Ooh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 170s. I mean, listen to my logic. Listen to my logic right now. We can't go down at this rate all day long. Okay? That's all I'm saying. We can't keep going down at this rate of speed all day long. We'll run out of room. So at some point, we got to get a bounce, right? It's got to bounce at some point. The question is when. Feel like we got the 100s. Obviously, is an area that we should see something. 150 area, 170 area right here is also not a terrible place to see a bounce. All right, I'm going to do it again. Don't follow me, please. This is a terrible idea. Terrible. I mean, we can't even get a 20-point bounce. It's insane. Okay, okay, okay. I yell uncle. This is not a smart idea. This is terrible. Terrible idea. It's a terrible idea. Don't be like me. Don't do this. I'm shook. I'm shaking. I'm literally shaking. That's crazy. I can't I will not keep holding when we have this kind of violence. I'm just looking to scalp. I want to get a better entry on a short, but I'm scalping. It's a dangerous game to be playing. It's a dangerous game to be playing. Trying to catch this kind of move. We could look at a short here at the 200 level. For now, let's just be patient. Wow, what a rip lower. Unbelievable. A nice bloody Wednesday. Oh, dear. Yeah, I don't think, Iceman, I don't think there's any news. It's just the market doing its thing. I mean, this just wild how we have not seen, just not seen any pullback. Like, it is wild. It's wild out here, boys. I mean, I feel like you could take a short here, maybe, but usually when we have this big of a move, we see a little bit more of an overextended pullback. I want to wait for that, but right now this is just straight down. Feel like I got to be more patient here on a short entry. All right, let's see if we get back above that 200 now. Hey, Mr. Wall Street, you're long. Good luck, sir. Good luck, my friend. Just purposely took a loan to get below TBD consistent rule on my evals. Citizen Zero, nice. Oh, man. What a rip lower. Hey, that's a good call, Citizen Zero. Good call. I don't think so, no profit trader. This is not even news related. Nope. Just a good old fashioned middle of the summer sell off, you know? It's the good old-fashioned sell-off. You gotta love it. I almost want to see him move back up into this 240 area. I want to see him move back into that 240 area, and then maybe we look for shorts. I might add some at 220. Like right here. Add one short right here, and then look for... We might not get it, though. This might just keep dumping. I hope not. The fair value gaps on the way down is hilarious. Yeah, there's quite a bit of them. Quite a bit of them. Definitely feels like we're putting in a little bit of support here. The buyers are at least trying. Probably a lot of profit taking here. See if we get a jump back up into that 220, 230 area. There's news about asking Fed Cook to resign immediately. No profit trader. Is that what we're calling that now? That's called news now? I thought that's just a regular theme. Trip Moses got chopped up at the open, somehow made $55. Money is money, you know? I will be able to request a 3K payout on Lucid tonight. Yay. So we'll get a little bit of a payout tonight. I need it. Keep funding my degenerate purchasing of accounts the last couple months. Man, we keep failing here. I might just take a short here right at the 200s. When I say might, I mean I will. Just looking for a move back down to the 160s. I'm just going to scalp. I'm just going to scalp this. I don't trust it. I'm not sure why I don't trust it, but I don't. This 170 level has been offering some support. If we rip right through the 170s here, then, I mean, you got to think we're going to go down to the 100s. There we go. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, man. Unbelievable. You're still holding Wall Street? That's unfortunate. I'm sorry, man. Hey, Gandalf. It's a trap. I don't know. That's kind of what I was afraid of. I thought that might be a trap for the shorts, but it doesn't look like it. Looks like we actually are going to go lower. Now, this could be a trap here for the shorts, but I don't know. This Let's wait and see. I'm definitely not going to chase this, but look at that go crazy. This market is on something. Wow. Hey, MM Cole, good morning. See you all at Wendy's, says Design Knob. Hey, I'll look for you behind the dumpster, Design Knob. Make sure you got your sign. Make sure you got your sign. I'm sorry, Design Knob. I'm sorry. Oh, that's unfortunate. What a crazy dump. Oh my goodness. It's like a repeat of yesterday. It's like a repeat. Wow. Let's go, Design Knob. You're green on all your accounts that are left. They've all been long scalps. Hey, Design Knob, that might be a sign. It might be a sign. Time to shut her down. It might be time to shut it down. I'm not saying that you need to, but I'm just saying you might need to. I'm gonna be an idiot. If we make a rip back up here, I don't know. Man, 120s. You'd think we'd get a rip back, but we might not. Nope. 120s, never mind. We're going lower. I'm not saying they're rich green, but they're green. That's right. Right? If you're green, you're green. Catch the short. Man, that's a good short. I should have probably held mine. I entered short here, the 197s. Unbelievable. It's only 90 points, guys. No big deal. No biggie. Ah. Ay, 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 ay. We're right here at the 100s. Who has the nerve to buy? Raise your hand. Who's knife catching this? Who's knife catching? Raise your hand now. Forever hold your peace. Look at this. I'm so tempted. Everybody, just turn off your screen. Don't even watch this trade, please. Don't do it. Don't watch me, please. We gotta bounce off the 100s, right? It's gotta be happening. Go. I'm getting scared. Oh. All right, I'm out. I'm too scared. I'm not made for this. I'm not made to catch bottoms. Let's not do that again. Just someone just make sure that I don't do that. Ah. I think this can bounce a lot more. I do think this can bounce more, but it's just too scary. It's just too scary, man. Disturbing content warning. Exactly. Day number 2 on your funding ticks eval, Orlando. Let's go. Let's go, Orlando. I've been really tempted. I might actually do it. I might. Uh, you know which account? You know which accounts I'm gonna get on the funding ticks? I was looking at it a little bit more in depth, and I don't think I'm gonna do this straight to fund it. I'm gonna do the 50Ks, and I'm going to do. I'm not gonna do the $50 one, but I'm gonna do the basically. I mean, that's a crazy good deal. I feel like if you do the one step funding ticks pro plus, which I think that still is, that is still, I think, 3 days to pass. I think it takes 3 days to pass, but basically $81 and a 5K payout cap per week on a 50K all in cost is $81. Like, obviously you still need to pass, but I'm thinking about that's going to be what I'm going to try next. And I just need to size down. Actually, you know what I need to do? I need to wait. I need to wait till QuantGuard comes out with Tradebate support, so I can just, I just need to, I need to slow down on some of these. I'm trading too big a size. Trading big size is really fun and really great when it's going well, but when it is not going well, it just, you have no room for error. You have no room for error, and you can just 2-3 losing trades in a row and your account is done. And that's what's been happening with my funding ticks account. So I just need to slow down. I'm trying to rush it because I'm trying to get, like, there's a 5-day payout window and I'm trying to get there in 5 days. There's just no need for that. I can get there in 10 days and be fine. All right, market, all the way down to the 80s here. I hate days like today. No, actually, this price action is great. What I don't like is when I am a contrarian. I don't know why I'm just not trusting the shorts. I'm just not trusting it. I don't know why, but I hate when I do that. I don't know. Do you already pass? Did I already pass Take Profit Trader evals? Max 90? You mean, what do you mean? I passed 2 weeks ago. I passed Take Profit Trader evals, and then I blew them in 1 day. Yes. Thanks for bringing that up again. I appreciate it. Now I have to deal with my post-traumatic stress disorder again. Because market only goes up. Oh, Saji, it does. These days like today, you look at days like today and you're like, oh my goodness, I would have made so much money. Oh, it's so easy. Just go short, right? It does look easy. I'm not going to, in hindsight, everything looks easy, but it's not. It is not that easy. I mean, sometimes it is. Sometimes it does feel easy, but today I was wrong. I was totally expecting that we would come down, we would test these low of the overnight session, possibly sweep down through the 300s maybe. And then I thought we'd see a rip back higher, and I thought we'd retest like the 500s, but I don't know, man. Don't look like it. Meanwhile, here we are. We're back ripping higher. Yeah, I definitely did have a long bias, Matty Lad trades. I took a $200 loss on this dump, and then I just kind of scalped my way back to where we're at now, but not exactly great trading so far this morning. That's for sure. So $81.25 is the cost for a funding ticks with a 5K payout per account per week. Man. So for that, how much would I need to make? Nope. Actually, no. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait and do it after Tradebate becomes available on QuantGuard. Okay, here we go. 120s. Now the question is, do we look for a short? Feel like we're finally getting some buyers in here. I don't know. I would rather look for a long. Getting that move. I might jump in here. Ooh. Getting that pump, getting that V move. Yeah, I know MM Cole. That's how they deal with the drawdown. But it's basically, I know what you mean. So it's 60% of the 5. Is it also then 60% of the 1K? I didn't even think of that. Nice Wall Street. Did you hold? Your entry was the 92s. Did you hold all the way down through the 60s? That's nice. Hey, Peter Schapp. Good morning, Mr. Pushup. All right, man. I'm so tempted to jump in here. Let's wait for a push lower a little bit. I'm still kind of long biased for some stupid reason. This might hurt me, but okay, we're just gonna go, huh? Dang it. Man, that was laggy. All right, I'm going with my intuition here. Going with my intuition, trying to get a move maybe back into the 180s. But we can't be greedy here. Cannot be greedy. We need that pop rate. Come on, pop it. That's it. All right, get moving. Just get me up to the 180s. Actually, probably 170 is a better target here. Also not gonna, like I said, we cannot be greedy when we're trying to catch a V-shaped move. I'm just gonna get out. Like I said, I'm not gonna get greedy. I remember yesterday, some of these moves, you can get a 50-point dump in a heartbeat. Do not want to get caught up in that. I just got to stop wanting to take max payouts in the least amount of days and just trade well and see what I can take out at the end of the week. Yeah, MM Cole. I have the same issue. I calculate. That's what I do. Like even on Lucid. Like I'm too aggressive on Lucid. I mean, Lucid trading, my aggressiveness is working, but it's still too aggressive. Like I calculate, okay, 8 traded days. I need to get to 9,000 profit target. So I set my goal for $1,000 a day. So, and doing that, I trade 3 to 4 minis, and it's pretty easy to take $1,000 loss as well. So it's a double-edged sword. Hey, trading on tilt, how we doing? Good to see you. Good morning. All right, we've battled our way back from that $200 loss we took initially. See, right here, if I would believe in the shorts, this is where I would take a short. But I gotta follow my intuition. I think we go higher today, or I don't think this is going to be a move lower all day like yesterday. I think we find support here at the 100s, and we might go sideways here at the 100s for a little bit, but I think we kind of go back up higher the rest of the day. But that's a bold call. I might be wrong. Probably am wrong. Yeah, exactly, Mr. Allister. That's kind of what I'm wanting to see here. Like, I want us to come back down and retest this 100 level. Let's see how we react to it. Come back down, retest this, and then if we make new lows, I'm just wrong. I'm just wrong, and that's when I need to be very careful. That is when I have to be very careful with how I trade, because once the market proves that I'm wrong and then I try to not accept it, that's when things usually go real bad. All right, here we go. This is kind of what I wanted to see. Depending how we react here at the 120s or the 100s, I will buy this. Very cautiously, though. All right, moment of truth here. 115s. Is this really gonna just make new lows? That is crazy. Okay, this is it. Now we got to take our loss if we're wrong. Oh, I'm only in one? I thought I was in two. Well, I meant to be in two here, so I might add. It's not looking good. There, come on, bump it. Oh, this is starting to look very, very sus. There we go. Now go, baby. Rip it. Don't fake it out here. Don't fake it. Ah, it's gonna fake it. I don't like that. Try again. Try again. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Come on, market. Come on, bulls. Get in here. Yeah, that's not a good sign. Oh! Pump. You killing me, market. You killing me. Ah, come on. You kidding me? Feel like I should have taken profit there. Man, these bears are not kidding. They're not messing around these days. They are not messing around these days. I think we're in for new lows. I think we're going to take new lows here. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Giving me. I'm about to kill this just because of frustration. Trying to be patient. Jeez, it's testing me. Oh. Oh, why are you doing this to me, market? Come on. You're killing me here. My patience is about all gone. It is about empty. Okay, I'm out. I can't. That's just too much. Too much. We should have gone by now. We should have ripped by now if we're going to rip. It's just not worth it. Let's see if we make new lows here. Gandalf, it might be. Yeah, this is now, I mean, this is kind of happening what I wanted to happen. Like, I wanted us to retest the 100s, but fail to make new lows. So this is actually kind of right what I wanted, as long as we don't make new lows. But I just ran out of patience. Watch this rip now. It's just hard to hold for that long when we had that big of a move lower. Leith Hill. Yeah, it does usually. I agree. I usually trade. I'm a strong believer in trading with the trend, but one thing that I've realized over time is I got to trade my intuition. I got to trade, like, I don't know. If I go against my intuition, it'll just put me on tilt that much quicker. If I trade with my intuition and I'm wrong, I can deal with that. I can deal with being wrong. But when I go against my intuition and then I'm also wrong, like, that's just a different kind of frustration that just really triggers me. So I just don't, it's not worth it to me, even though I do agree with what you're saying for the on usually. But today, I don't know. I think we go higher. But I might be wrong. I'd rather be wrong and not in a trade though. I would rather be wrong and not find out financially. The trend is up on the big picture. Just need to find the areas of the institutions will add or initiate. I mean, yeah, if you look at long term, you're definitely right. Man, look at this sideways. What is this? Yeah, Leith Hill. That's just my. That's kind of what I've learned over time with trading. It's kind of what I've learned is a large part of that anyway. But are we gonna go now? Oliver says bye. Yeah, we could, Kevin B. It's either gonna fake out a little bit to the upside and then flush, or we might see a little bit of a fake move lower and then rip higher. I don't know, but when we have this kind of sideways candles, I feel like something's got to give. Something's got to give here soon. Hey, where's Mo? Where's Mo? I haven't seen Mo today. Ooh. Man, look at these. Look at this sideways action. 2, 4, 6, 10 minutes. 10 minutes of just going nowhere. I mean, the thing is, the fact that we have not made new lows after having made such a big move lower, this tells me there's a lot of people buying down here. It's just a matter of, is it going to be enough, or are the bears going to win this battle and just keep ripping it lower? We're about to find out. Here we go. 70s about to retest the lows. How were we going to react? Hey, there's Mo. How we doing, Mo? It's not that big of a move. Yeah, in all the grand scheme of things, it's not a huge move, but for For the price action and volatility that we've been getting the last 3-4 weeks, this is a pretty decent move. If you look at the daily chart, that's a pretty big move according to what we have been getting recently. Here we go. New lows, guys. New lows. I'm glad I got out. I'm glad I got out. Okay. Are we going to bounce now? I'm so tempted here. Oh, this is so frustrating. Market all of a sudden just died. Yeah, I don't know. I was hoping we'd get a bounce there, but that's not looking good. It's unfortunate. Man. This breaks lower, I'm definitely going to be in trouble. I'm going to get stopped here very quickly, I think, if this goes below this 60 level. What happened to the volatility? Now rip it. Come on, market. Don't fake me out here. Gosh, I hate. Ugh. Can we get a rip? Like a 50-point ripper? That'd be sweet. Nope, we cannot. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. This market is starting to frustrate me. It is unpredictable right now, Camber. It is. This is starting, I agree, Red Rover. This is starting to get the makings of a grind lower, and I got to be careful. But hey, we basically took our break-even trade on that one, and I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with just cutting my losses. Yeah, Lethal, if you're nice and green, man, it's a great time to just walk away. At least I would. If I was green right now, I would probably, I don't think I'd be looking for a trade. I'm just feel like I'm going against the trend on my bias, and it's just a dangerous game to play. If I'm only down 30, yeah, that's kind of how I feel. I feel pretty good. I feel like we were managing our losses really well. I feel like we're managing our losses really well, like except that first trade, which was, I mean, we were totally knife catching, so we minimized it as best we could. Now look at this pump. Look at that. Wow. Just, I don't know, man. This is not great. I'm 440 green. I was stubborn, didn't lock out. I really need to quit. Yeah, Trip Moses. The Great Dane. You think we're going down to 22K today? I mean, that'd be insane. Never say never. You just never know. Well, I know, Kevin G. I know, it's fair, but it's kind of what I've been. We haven't even touched this EMA yet. We have not even touched the EMA so far. That's wild. Knife catching with micros is like getting cut with a dull knife. It doesn't hurt as bad, and you can control the bleeding. That's a great analogy, Josh. That's true. It's true, but if you keep cutting yourself with a dull knife, eventually you're going to have problems. Eventually it will actually hurt. Dow's holding the 800s. Russell is trying to hold above the daily 20. Yeah, Black Coffee. I mean, I think we're gonna start going higher, but I don't know. I feel like I might be wrong. But that's my feeling. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. That's my story. Trade like your wife is sitting next to you, and you have to explain to her why you took the trade. All right, Kevin G, watch. Honey, if she's sitting here, I'm going to tell her, honey, I think it's going to go higher. She's like, oh, okay. It's a little more complicated than that, though. Just a little more complicated. She needs to ask you why, and I'll just give her the old because I said so. That always goes well. Just kidding. I don't say that. I don't say that. You're not long. You're just exactly. If you wait long enough, you'll eventually be right. She might be listening. Yeah, you're right. She actually might be. Today is the first day of school. So Cody's doing preschool, but so Kevin is he is supposedly he's doing school. I guess I should double check that, but you know you want to say that to your wife. Not if you're a smart man. If you're a smart man, you will not want to say that. Or you might only want to say it once. Once, and then you'll understand why it's just not actually that great of an idea. It's really not that fun. Yes, his royal trades, yes. I've never actually tried telling my wife because I said so. But I'll do it today and report back. You ever seen those TikTok videos of the guy telling his wife something that he should not be saying to his wife, and then the next cut scene is a body bag going into the river? That always cracks me up. His royal Mark, rest in peace, my friend. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Mark is now no longer with us. Happily married and antagonize my wife often. That is the best, Jeff Blazos. I do agree. Me and my wife, we love giving each other a hard time. So I think actually part of having a good marriage is being able to give each other a hard time. We like to push each other's buttons sometimes, just enough to keep it fun, but not too much. You got to know where the line is. You can't cross that line. If you cross the line, you're going to have problems. So takes a lot of experience to know where that line is. I taught my wife to trade. She gets me now. Let's go, I am Adam. That's awesome. Well, this is starting to look like this is what is, at least for now, we are just going to slowly grind lower. That is not what I was hoping for, and that is not ideal, which means we chillin'. We are going to take it easy. By the way, do you guys know what I'm going to do today? Today, I'm going to go pick up my new computer. My new computer. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. I'm going to go pick it up at the Micro Center. Has anyone been to the Micro Center? I'm telling you, that Micro Center is oof. If you like technology, the Micro Center you will be awestruck. The Micro Center is equivalent to my wife going shopping at a all purse store. It's very simple. Or sweaters. It's like my wife going shopping and the whole store, all they have is sweaters, shoes, and purses. That's it. That's the equivalent of me going into Micro Center. I get my electronics from Best Buy only since I have the membership that gives you warranties on all new. Oh, Interesting camera trades. That's interesting. But yeah, I purchased. Here's my. Do you guys want to see my PC build? You guys want to see it? I don't want to flex on anyone here, but it's a pretty sweet build. Hang on, I'm finding it. Can I find it even? Or where is my... Okay, here it is. Here it is. Oh, she's a beauty. She's gonna be purring like a kitten. She's gonna be humming. She's gonna be... Oh, it's gonna be so nice. This is the PC build that I just ordered. Should be able to pick it up this afternoon. Oh, wow. They actually are sold out now of this. I hope they're not. Yikes. I want this one. So we got the Intel Core i7 14700K. She's a beast. We've got 64 gigabytes of RAM. We've got the 5090 graphics card overclocked. We've got 4 terabytes solid state drive with an additional 4 terabyte storage. 1250 watt power supply, just in case we want to upgrade something in the future. And the case. And the liquid cooling, yada, yada. I don't even know what all that is for, but, you know. That's it. This is, that's it. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Which means I'm going to have my work cut out for me trying to get everything on this PC that's important moved over to my new PC. I'm going to be in for a very fun day, a fun evening. UK futures trader. You know what I need? You know why I need so much space on my drive? I'll show you. I will show you why I need that much space. Look at this. Just give me a minute. Look at this. Look at all of this video. All these videos are edited videos. A lot of these are slow motion. Not slow motion. A lot of these are drone footage like this. See, you guys, see, look at this. You don't know about this, but this is... Look at this video I edited. Oh, we got to put the music on so you get the full... This was a video I took from my drone footage from Colorado. Skyline Drive. It's very nice. And we have so much more. We've got... Oh, man, let me look. What? Oh, this... Oh, here. I gotta show you guys this. I'm sorry. Is the market doing something? Oh, the market's trying to make a move. Hang on. You know what? I'm not gonna get suckered into it anyway. Here, I gotta show you guys this. And these are some big file sizes. Hang on, I gotta find the right place. Here we go. This is also in Colorado. Why is it so... looks a little jerky. This next scene, one of my favorite scenes I've ever captured. Man, did I edit this in the wrong frames? Right here, right here. This is pretty cool. Nice. I flew right through that. That was pretty nice. I was in this van. This was on our youth trip. So we were youth leaders, and this was a mission trip we took to Colorado. And then we had one day where we were able to do some sightseeing. Anyway, this is called Shelf Road. If you're ever in Colorado, it's worth it. It's really nice. Anyway, I'll stop boring you guys now, but that's why I need so much storage space. I have so much footage, it's crazy. It's gonna take forever to move this. What kind of drone? Let me show you. Oh. This one right here. Can you see it? Mavic 3. That's the one. I actually don't use it enough. I need to use it more. Oh. Oh. Well, we are trying to get a little bit of a move higher here from the 40s. This is a 70, this 30 point move now. Do I trust it? Do I trust this move? John, now on to the home. Yeah, I know, Camera. I should have got just an external hard drive, but the problem is the external hard drive, the write speeds and stuff are not as good. But I could. It would make it a lot easier. I'm actually going to try to just remove the one hard drive, SSD drive, and put it on the new one. That way I don't have to move all my files. Okay, here we go. Yeah, Matt, it was pretty crazy. Man, this here was one of my favorite footages. This I took last year when we were in Florida. It's so peaceful. So, I could fall asleep to this. Anyway. On a RAID 5 configuration, install me today. Yeah, that's right, John. That's Siesta Beach. You'll be there. Let's go. You'll be there in under a month? Well, I'll be there end of October. End of October, we'll be there again, so. Whoa, look at that rip. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. All right. I like what I'm seeing. Now we just need a pullback. Give me a pullback, sir. Please. Please come down. Give me pullback. Yeah, man. Okay, install me today. Get an external drive with 10 gigabytes on a RAID 5 configuration. How is that installed on your PC? Like, what is the configuration layer? How is it installed? Yeah, exactly, Black Coffee. Of course, now we're not going to get a pullback. Go figure. Oh, man, look at this sunset. This is just so nice. Oh, I want to go back. I want to be there again. Oh. You've been in IT for 20 years? Yeah, it sounds like you know what you're talking about. I might look into that install me today. I'll look into that. I think we need to play this when I'm about to go on tilt. I'll just play this video and I'll be fine. No way I'm going on tilt if I watch this. Yeah, that's from Siesta Key Beach. Okay, we got to get a pullback here. Come on. That's a 100-point move from the lows. Give me a pullback. Just something. Give me a pullback. Good grief. We're just going straight up. You know, if I go in right here, we're going to get a 30-point pullback. Good. Oh! Are you serious? Why is it like this? I don't have that dashboard like you to edit Ninja Trader skin blueprint. Changing the loss color from red to the same color as the other normal text. Oh, really? Two hands? So you don't see the red? Let's go. Hey, it can't help. You know what else has actually helped me not go on tilt so much? Is showing my order entries. I don't know why, but I don't know why. It's just like a reminder of how I could be trading so much better. But man, this is seriously frustrating right now. Hi, hi. What is going on here? I was so close to jumping in here on this little micro pullback. But I just knew as soon as I would, this thing would just whoop. Gotta be patient. I don't want to get suckered in here and then it dumps. But man, this is looking very, very strong. Hey, nice Red Rover, nice. I mean, we do have some resistance here at the 150s. But right now, I mean, it's just going straight through it. Gotta be kidding me. Kanunga's fail. You think the water's fine? I just dive in? Just jump in and hang on. Buy high, sell higher. It's not a bad strategy if it works. Buy high, sell higher. It has some, got a point. Wow. I am about to just buy. I'm about to just do it. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. This is... Okay, market. I get it. I get it. You want to rub it in my face that I didn't hit. I get it. I get your point. I totally absorb it. I understand. You've made your point. Now stop rubbing it in. Like, what is this even? I mean, is this considered a pullback right here? I feel like this is... Yep, that was a pullback. 2 points. That's all we get for pullbacks. Unbelievable. I'm about to FOMO into this, and I don't even care. Come on. I dare you to give me a little more pullback. Just a little more. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, you were almost there. Oh, no. Come down. Oh, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. No. Bad. Okay. I'm going to end stream now. Market is only going to go higher, obviously. So I'll just close this trade at the end of the day, if that's okay with everyone. This market only will go higher the rest of the day. It's obvious. Every 2-point pullback we buy. This is insane. What is wrong with you, market? Look at that. Did someone unplug the machine? Where do I take profit? I'm not sure what to do with my hands here. All right. I'm not kidding. I'm going to leave this trade open the rest of the day. I'm not joking either. This trade will be going until 4 p.m. We're just going to buy the pullbacks. We're just going to buy pullbacks and add to our position because the market only goes up. Go ahead, market. Prove me wrong. I dare you. Don't go ahead. Prove me wrong. See, it won't. It's insane. It is insanity. Oh. Do I have another job besides trading? No, I don't. Yes, being a dad. Being a dad and golfing. I'm a professional golfer that has not ever made a single dime. Actually, no, I have made money golfing. I got a skin. I've got a couple skins where it paid me $400. So technically a professional golfer. Look at me go with a 12 handicap. No design knob. No. No design knob. Don't tell me you went short. We know market only goes up. There's a glitch right now. There's a glitch in the matrix where the market only goes higher. Look at it go. I'm not joking. There's a glitch. Take advantage of it, guys. Market can't go lower. There's something wrong. The market, there's something wrong in the machine. Okay, I'm going to take my profit at the 200s. Come on, market. I beg you. I beg you, please give me a 2-point pullback. Just give me 2 points. 2 points. 2-point pullback. That's all I need. The market is incapable of having a red bar, a red candle. Look at this. Look at this. That's insane. Unbelievable. This is not market advice. Please don't call the SEC. Come on. I'm going to cry if this just goes. This is insane. It's not even fun. Come on, give me a 2-point pullback. It's the least you can do. I'm not asking for a lot here. 2 points. You can do it. No, it can't. Never mind. This is crazy. Look at the 60-minute chart. We have the candle of the 60-minute at 213s. So that is going to be important. We have to get a pullback at the 215s. We literally have to. If we don't get a pullback at the 215s, then we know that someone unplugged the machines. Look. What is going on? Look at this methodical, just, it's insane. That is actually crazy. I mean, someone plugged in the buy algorithms and they just said, you know what? Leave it on the rest of the day. Remember when I said we're going to go higher? Remember that? It's a funny story. Come on, give me a pullback. I mean, this sounds so crazy, but I feel like right here might be the best pullback we get. Oh, snap. Did someone plug the machine back in? Nancy Pelosi must be buying. Oh, snap. We have a, look at this candle. Someone take a screenshot. There's a red candle on my screen. That's crazy. Okay, now I'm a little scared. We'll just go in with one small one. Just one teeny tiny, weensy little one. But we'll add more. Buy. Carlos says NASDAQ reached the OTE daily demand. This is a natural reaction. There you go. Carlos said so. Carlos, where were you 30 minutes ago? You should have told me this 30 minutes ago. Where were you? It's too easy, guys. You just buy. You just keep buying. Press the buy button. That's all you got to do. What copy trader do I use? I use Replicanto. We're getting Alpine addicted to golf. That's right, Matty Matt. That's right. I can't wait. I can't wait to play golf with Alpine when we go to the BDH next couple, what is it, November? I can't wait. It's going to be great. No design knob. Ugh, I'm sorry. Carlos works for Hindsight Capital. Hindsight Capital always wins. You know, someone should start a hedge fund and call it Hindsight Capital. That would actually be a pretty funny name. I mean, look at this go. I should be going in with 10 micros here, but I'm not. That tells you exactly. Mr. Wall Street. Major tournament for the league this weekend, and then a tune-up before the playoffs. I've missed 2 rounds. I've fallen to 6th place in the leaderboard. You got this, Matty Matt. I mean, this is just wild. I wish I was in bigger size here. You know he's going to get a lot of weird gifts, man. You know that's going to happen. Yeah, I guess at least we're green. I don't know. Whatever. It feels okay, I guess, but man, it feels like we missed out on a major way. It's just it doesn't feel great when you don't actually capitalize on. This is exactly what I called out for it to happen, but that's why I always say it's easier to say what will happen than actually put it into action and actually trade. It's just a way different ball game. This is just crazy how this is going. Hey, you know why? You know what we need to actually look at? Let's take a moment. Let's just take a moment and be thankful that we didn't fight the uptrend here and we kept going short. Let's just be thankful for that, because that would be painful. That would be painful. Who's calling me? Hello? Stupid spam callers. Urgh. Oh, we need. Give me. Oh, jeez. I can't. I just can't. I can't. Oh. No design knob. I mean, this is actually getting borderline insanity. We have 1, 2 red candles. That is it. No, I feel like I traded okay today, actually. I feel like I traded okay, but I should have just stuck with my intuition a little bit longer. Once we started bleeding lower right here, and I kind of lost faith a little bit in a move higher, and I kind of aborted the mission. I aborted it too soon. But man, this is wild. Look at this go. We are just... How do you trade this? Oh, I still have an order open? I'm pretty sure... Yeah, it was a ghost order. This is... I don't know how you trade this, honestly. I don't know how you do it. Hey, lethal, nice. Oh. Is take profit trader the only firm with no consistency rule? No. Trade day doesn't have any consistency. Trade day doesn't, and my fund of futures also has an account that doesn't have a consistency rule. This is actually crazy. I don't know how to trade this. Like, as far as, I'm not talking about the bounce. I'm just saying once we make this move, like, I mean, do you just jump in and hold on? It feels like that's how you do it. I'm not a huge fan of that. That's why I'm going such small size, but this is frustrating. I feel like I should be making way more money because this is literally what I wanted to happen, yet I can't. I don't know. This is just so weird. It is so weird. Unbelievable grind higher. Unbelievable. It's just so hard to go long up here. Even though I feel like that's what I should be doing, but you know how much it would feel like an idiot when you go long right here at the VWAP and the initial balance mid, and then we pull back 30, 40 points? I just don't feel like I can justify it. Can't justify going long here. Okay, are we gonna get a pullback? You know what is gonna really, really disturb me? I'll tell you right now what is gonna really, really frustrate me is if we start to pull back now and we just climb all the way back down. I'm just going to tell you right now, if that happens, we are going to have problems, major problems. I will not survive that. So let's all just put in a small prayer that that is not what will happen now. If this, oh, never mind. Never mind. We're going back up already. Oh my goodness. I give up. I actually give up. I don't know what to do. Ah. Why chase? Yeah, I know, Derek. Why chase? Because it looks like it's pretty easy to make money right now if you just go long. That's why. I give up. I actually give up. Seriously. You know what we should do? We're about to actually stress test this market move higher. We are going to stress test it. If this dumps now, if this actually reverses, I am not joking. We are going to have a problem. That's all I'm saying. Just get ready. Get ready for some major problems if this reverses now. There's just no way this happens. There's no way. Okay, Mark, I was actually kidding. I was joking. You have got to be kidding me. Mm. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Currently, the stress test is failing in epic proportions. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. Hang on. 1 minute. Gotta be kidding. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is why we can't have nice things. This is why we can't have nice things. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, you stupid idiot. Ah, I need to do something. I need to do something. We all know what needs to be done here. Just cannot. Really? We really not even going to get a bounce at the 200s now. Just straight down. Unbelievable. I'm so over it. I give up. I give up. Unbelievable. Go ahead, just hit me. Take me out. Cannot believe it. Just cannot believe it. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you.